A warehouse automation stock called Symbotic. And Pete and I have talked about this one before for good and bad, but this time, this is a Walmart-backed company, folks. And, Walmart invested in them because, hey, warehouse automation, we need stuff moved in and out fast, and these guys are supposed to be able to do it really well. Well, apparently, tragedy struck, Pete. And it's not working out so well for Symbotic. They're going to have to redo their numbers. Does that sound something like SMCI, Pete? Well, if it does, Super Microcomputer fell from over 100 a share all the way down to 17. I'm not saying Symbotic goes the exact same way, Pete, and nobody like Hindenburg has accused them of the same sort of things Hindenburg accused Super Micro of, but this ain't good.
This is not good. You talk about some economics and the accounting errors that are going on here, John. It's really pretty scary, to be honest with you. And they also added, as they've been going through this whole thing and the stock down 38%. I mean, that's a pretty big hit. It's actually been down even further than that. But you look at the 52-week low and high, it's sniffing around pretty close to those lows. But in any case, John, I think this one's pretty interesting because they also had to give their outlook for 2025, adding that they're going to be cutting that back as well. There's just a lot of problems. This one for me would be a no touch. I think SMCI was a little bit different. This one, it's just pretty scary, and I don't think you need to feel like you can buy the absolute bottom. I would wait and be very comfortable waiting to see what exactly they're able to produce, and that outlook that's negative, that's not so great either.
Yeah, and just to your point, Pete, they it's not at the same level that Super Micro was at. By that, I mean, first they get accused, then they say, maybe we're going to have to restate numbers. Then they say, hey, we just lost our accountant. We got to get a new one and so forth to do our audits. This one's much earlier in that. So we'll have to see, because I hope they don't have similar issues. But if they do, this one is going to get cut in half even from here.